Hello there, it's Olamide Adeleke here again. I usually refer to myself as an ambassador of Christ. I trust you're well as always. Without much ado, let's get right into it. Also on today's episode, I'll be talking about a very topic that I think you'll find useful. And the topic I'll be talking about is how to make money versus how to grow money. So I'll be looking at two models on how to make money. Then later on, I'll be looking at two models on how to grow money. So I'm sure that this episode will be one that will, change your thoughts and, add on to the knowledge that you already have about how to make money or how to grow money. So without much ado, let's get right into it. So the models on how to make money. And the first one is competence and skills. So the primary way to make money is to develop complex marketable skills. What do I mean? It's developing skills that will help you become better at what you do. And let me tell you that there's a difference between competence and skills. So skills are abilities that you learn in order to complete a specific task. But competence is the assuredness of professionalism in a particular field that makes people refer to you or makes you successful in doing a job. So developing competence can be in anything, probably in your regular job, in your business, in anything at all. But a skill can be something that you actually learn to do a particular task. So it could be photography, it could be video production, it could be bead making, it could be anything, a particular skill. It could even be Excel preparation, like spreadsheet or all of that. So it's very important nowadays that you develop skills that are premium, skills that will help you, get money. For example, data analytics, photography and all of that, they help you get money. And then when you become competent at it, then that's when big companies, big organizations will come out looking for you and they pay you premium profit to do what you're good at. So one way to make money is to become better and competent in your field by developing skills that will help you become better. So can your skill set earn you a premium? I want you to ask yourself that question. So today, find something that probably you like or you're interested in. Develop it, own that skill, and then serve it to the world. And in return, they pay for it. So create value and then get paid for it. And so the second model on how to make money is regular job and side gig. So I'm talking about your regular job and your side gig. Those are ways to make money. And even though many people say that, that you can't make money or you can't be rich while doing a regular job, I don't fully support it, because there are jobs that are, so to say, limited in the sense that, okay, let me give you an example. Look at the CEO of Microsoft, or the present CEO. I can't pronounce his name right now, but I think he's Indian or something. He's doing a job. He's not the owner of Microsoft. He's not the one that gave birth to the idea of Microsoft. But do you know how much he's being paid? Well, I will not tell you. Go research yourself. So that's someone that is doing a day job. He's probably an intrapreneur in the business. So you can actually make money doing a regular job. So you can also make money through a side gig. And what's a side gig? A side gig is just a job or a piece of work that you do and you get paid while doing your normal job. I think you get the gist. So you can get money through all of that. And I would advise that whenever you are choosing a side gig, choose something that is related to your job, so that you become you not be distracted. So you can get a side gig, and so you get paid that way. And one thing I would advise is that ensure that before, if at all you quit your job, ensure that your side gig earns enough to pay you and if you have employees and to pay your employees. And another thing is, do not deprive your particular employers of your value creation while trying to build a side gig, because it happens a lot when building their side gig, they focus on creating value for their side gig, and then their normal day job, they leave it to chance. No employer will be happy to see that his employee does not create the value while he's being paid for that value. So ensure that you create value. And I said earlier that while creating value, you get paid for creating value. So yeah, basically those are the models on making money. And so I'll move to the two key models for growing money. And the first one is frugality and saving. Frugality and saving. And I'll say that the first way to grow money is by living below your means. And in the last video, I talked about several ways on how to grow money. Yes. So just live below your means. Ensure that you live below your means. Don't try to impress people. The thing is that most people haven't forgotten about what you wore today. There are a lot of things people are thinking about for them to focus on what you're wearing. Probably at that time, but later on, probably they're forgetting about it. So ensure that you live below your means. Don't try to impress people. Live below your means so that you can save money. And I'll just be stating 3 things that will help you in frugality and saving, and that's how to grow your money, of course. So the first thing is, don't buy things you don't need. Don't buy things you don't need. Don't just think out of the blues of something. Maybe you saw something and then you just want to get it. It's not a wise idea. Sorry. Don't buy things you don't need. Then sell anything you haven't used in a long time, probably a year, 2 years ago. So things that you have not used in a long time, sell it off. You can get value from it. You can get profit from it. And the third one is, don't impress. I said this earlier. Don't impress people with things. Impress them with your investment. Don't impress people with things. Impress them with your investment. So instead of them seeing you buying things that you don't need, show them your investment portfolio and let them be amazed. Probably hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, millions of dollars. Basically, but you get the point. So impress people with your investment. So those are the ways to frugality and savings. Live below your means, save money, and you're on your way. Everything falls down to habits. Develop habits that will help you. Develop habits that will help you move or make it easy for you to save. So be disciplined, basically. So the second model on investment, grow money, and equity. Investment and equity. So investments are for growing money that you have already made. So a lot of people are mistaken. They think investment is for making money. No, it's for growing money that you have already made. To make money, like I discussed earlier, you need those models. I talked about competence and skills to make money. Then your regular job and your side gig to make money. But investments are for growing money. So don't be confused about it. It's for growing money that you have already made. Do you get the point? So it says here that it's not for making money, but for growing money. So frugality grows your savings and accelerates the growth of your savings. So ensure that you are not mistaken about the two models. The ones I discussed earlier are for making money, and these ones are for growing money. So don't confuse investments with making money. They are for growing money that you have already made. So you made probably $1,000 this month, and then you put it in an investment portfolio. You are growing money. It's just like a seed that you put in the floor to germinate. You water it, and then it grows. You get the point. So yeah, basically, I'm sure that you understand those models, making money versus growing money. So, comment in the section below about jobs or side gigs you can do to make money, and Also, I want to know how you save. Do you save per week, per month, and where do you save? Do you save in the bank? Do you save with investment portfolios and all of that? So comment in the section below what you have learned and how this will be useful to you. I'm sure you've learned one or two things. So have a great day. My name remains Olamide Adeleke. Bye for now.